I just woke up for bed. I say make I talk tomorrow to now. I say make I try share some one or two ideas then with you now. So connect yourself sur le Parisien de Kondongo. Oui, je vais un peu changer avec vous. Je vais un peu changer avec vous quelques secondes, ok? On va parler un peu de Kumba. On va parler un peu de Kumba. Voilà. I talk for English. I only talk for English because I just get about 45 minutes for pass out now. I just woke up. I said make a... I don't see plenty things the way I don't really like them. Now I say make a try for me. I try tough for now. Okay. Now excuse me. I know I shave my... I know I fix my thing. Make it no worry now. First of all, I would like for... Bon, ici, il faut y avoir talk for French parce qu'il concerne la French, ok? Je vais d'abord essayer de dire quelque chose. La chose que je vais dire, c'est que quand on est déjà vieux et qu'on ne peut plus réfléchir, on ne peut que produire des résultats qui n'ont pas de sens. Par exemple, on a un chef d'État qui est vieux, inactif, qui ne peut plus produire de bons résultats, mais qui ne fait que perpétuer la bêtise, qui va d'échec en échec. Pobia. The lack of respect Pobia get them for English Cameroon. I believe say all na the see am now waiting to happen. Pikin they don't die. Pikin they don't die for Kumba. With all the entire nation, they feel bad about the death of those children. Mommy them, papa them, make una listen me fine. Okay? But now for this kind of position where I the ever vex and I go continue to vex because I know want me and nobody tell me what to for do. Pikin they don't die for Kumba. Or Pikin then die for Kumba. Pobia be unable for make a speech about that Pikin them. Pobia the way it simplify Southwest and Northwest, the way it take me the cockroach them, on a if you understand. Ça de Pobia méprise la population anglophone à un niveau que ce n'est plus bon. Pobia a une négligence, il méprise. J'appelle ça la... J'appelle... I call an a coach. Do I not even coach chef? Pobia est incapable de faire un discours pour la mort de ses enfants qui sont morts à Kumba. Merde. Il est incapable de se lever comme un président pour faire un discours pour ses enfants qui sont morts à Boya. Et vous restez, vous ne faites que faire des discours en donnant les éloges à ces messieurs qui méprisent la mort des enfants au sud-ouest et au nord-ouest. Vous pensez que c'est normal? Okay. If Pobia they really feel bad for what picking the way they die, will stand, make a speech, at least for that okay, for say me they cry die for that picking them. If I say make it write and for book. That say Pobia a passive for talk for what picking them say okay, we not lost picking them, make this day so being a national day for this die. Pobia write and for book. For course, una mami them again. For course, una papa them again. For course, we for Southwest and Northwest. For tell you say the houses the way don't burn them. You not get no damn shit for Giam for not get no explanation for Giam for the damn for the house we don't burn them. The only one I say tell the boys and make they put their guns for down. Tell the boys and make they put their guns for down. Mommy and papa they una look me very well. Let me be willing to party. If you be na coche, na weti. If you be na coche, vous dites, man, de coche, oui, na weti. Vous avez déjà vu une république où les gens meurent? Look at for France, voyez, ici en France. They don't really kina two people, president, donc the very day president come out. Po bien no get helicopter, po bien no get plane them for come out land for Kumba, go see that picking the way they don't, that picking their mommy the way they don't kill them. Vraiment, 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 vraiment. Tout le monde entend aussi oui de Paris, no, il lack respect for president. When president need to respect my own people, then me I go respect he. I go respect he because he be who? He the chop na iron. He the chop na iron. Est-ce que Paul bien mange le fer? Il mange quoi? Il mange le fer, il mange une nourriture différente de ce que nous on mange. Les enfants meurent, un président est incapable de faire un discours pour ses enfants. C'est à décret présidentiel. Every day, sur haute instruction du chef d'État, sur haute instruction du chef d'État, pour pleurer les enfants qui sont morts dans ton pays, sur haute instruction du chef d'État, tu es incapable d'aller là-bas regarder, pour bien dire incapable, for go look that picking them for Kumba, where the kids are picking them. Una can tell me say, and then una look am again. Una look am again. Una look am again. For cry that picking them. Na tanga na wala na tanga nanji wala na tanga nji antanga nji na I camp for Kumba for can lie wa mami them for come coach wa mami them again. Now una picking them una can't tell them, una can't show them for police, may they go kill them, again. It never finish as for hot we pobia for course we again fine for southwest and northwest. He carried the biggest fool of the whole republic of the whole world, Nambere. He carried Nambere. Na Nambere don't come Kumba for represent Pobia. Nambere na he represent Pobia. For come begin the lie wa picking them again. Lie wa boys them again. So now when I get to disobey the guys them, when I get to look at Nambere, look, make I tell you. Only the way you fat, it shows you dull past dullness. Because for me, I believe all my way fat na dull human being. You don't deny any fight. Cover your toilet, she don't quiet. Okay? Una look at una for Carrefour, Nambere they make a dirty mop. It talk useless talk them. Una the answer yes, we must come out, go open and store them. Nambere, as they talk for that place, so if they surrounded with police them. They guide you. Police they guide you now. Okay, now you want push enough in front. How they don't keep what picking they never correct. Nambere one can to show una go die now. Una go die. For some people continue to be for power. Una go die now. Una come out, una open, una store them. All that one na for some make una vex, una amber boys them. Make una vex them. When the amber boys go vex now, una also say no. They don't carry people, they come for Kumba, can't kill what picking them. It never correct. For Koshwi, probably are not fit camp for down. For Koshwi, they go carry a big fool, the biggest fool of the whole republic of the whole world. Nambere, bring them for inside Kumba. They can't talk English. Because if you say, where you talk pidgin, you don't read for some level where he pass level. Nambere, let me tell you. All way to where you do me, I will only cry because you my brother. I will only cry because you're my brother. Because I know what will happen at the end. At the end, I know what will happen. You are making yourself to be fool. You are a fool. You are a fool now. You are a fool. You don't deny. Okay, as you deny fight now. Why? Okay, leave me. May the army they leave you. Just be kiwaka inside Kumba anyhow. Just go all places that you be ancien amba no. You be guy we get hard no. You get boomba no. Go now for kwakwa bole all go be tell them. No work out arming them. Just work out because you be amba. Look at me then. You can't fool now. Una not listing that people them. I tell una this thing again. They want make the whole international world know say this so nothing need to happen for our region. Mami them can tell una. Na pobia don't kill una picking them. Na pobia don't kill wa own picking them. We no go accuse no man for this matter. He don't can cost you again with the number. Yes, because for say me they arrange situation for some they arrange situation for Ambazonia with the Cameroon, the man will get to arrange an number. Illiterate man, we no go no school, you no know nothing, you never know for writing name. Now he they go bring him for Kumba, for can consolate wa mami them. If you never na coach, na wait again. If you never na insult, na wait again. So if you say na number, if you can tell people them for Kumba, may they come look mami they una respect una gold down them and the beg una my hand for my chest. Una not listing these people then. They the one make they crush una all. Una respect una gold down them. May the guide them to the respect their own side. I beg Amber boys them at the beg una. At the beg una. Make una give una direction them. Many the respect them. Make all man respect your own animal respect your own side. Una not listing all these fool them, these idiots them. Where they bring them for can put them for line. Nambere, who is Nambere? Who is Nambere? Nambere na who? Because you don't carry small gun for 2 days. They can't take you, God and go your own. You don't be na ninja. You don't be na the whole. Damn to be the whole. If you come now for South, they can fool all mommy them. Look, any man, anything where any man do for that land belongs. That land is the land of Willie de Paris. Anything where you do, you will pay for it. Look, any man will pay for what you do for unpicking them for that land. You will pay for it. If you think all these things will go for granted, you are lying yourself. You are fooling yourself into the biggest level. Share this video, please. Share this video. I want to make it reach even the people them where they the one for Tommy one people them. When I don't carry people, carry police, they can't keep picking them for school. When I want to accuse Amber boys them. When I want to accuse them. I'll be very happy say the one a delegate ask mommy and say when I know people they kill na picking there, they say no. They say no because the one make them mommy they say yes, we know them. Mommy when I don't know, now that people that they kill were picking them. So make una be very, very careful and vigilant. Una respect. The Atanganji they see carry a fat eye then go turn for CRTV. They say no, there is no war, there is nothing. Na first minister, English minister, but all his life it is spent for talk French. Because I want to say over no French for CRTV. Una share this video. Make it reach 150 first. Magazine. I want to make this video. Una share and 90% make sure 10 share. 10 share. We'll get plenty share. Share this video. And if she don't forget the sleep, and the fear about picking them, I want to see a number there, fat eye them, can't picking top. Tell people that say, open your places, do this. I don't tell when I say I go for Nigeria. Who be first send you? Who be first send you? For the first place, who be first send you? Biscuit bone. Who be first send you? Okay, now you want to make lost black people them again. The president for the republic, no one stand up for talk about that picking them. Now you number don't send make un consolate Kumba. Vous voyez comment les gens sont limités. Après que les enfants meurent à Kumba, le chef d'État est incapable de faire un discours pour ses enfants. C'est Nambere qu'on envoie pour aller consoler les enfants qui sont morts, un drogué, qui sont morts à Kumba. Pour inciter encore la population anglophone. How will they call you anglophones? The feast and also will remain to the end of our life. They lie yourself. They are lying yourself. And look, when I share this video, I be in the shames and they make this kind of video. Even if I walk on for bed, I don't get time for talk. Because when things are bad, they are bad. Okay? Share the video. And mama 10 share. I want to see many mama 10 share. Mais c'est pas possible ça. C'est pas possible ça. C'est pas possible. C'est comme ça. C'est comme ça qu'on gère un problème. C'est comme ça qu'on gère un problème. Pour bien, comme tu te moques des anglophones, laisse-moi te dire que tu finiras par payer. Tous ces enfants que tu assassines, tu finiras par payer. Et laisse-toi tomber. L'opinion internationale n'est pas doom, n'est pas bête, en croyant qu'en faisant ça, on va accuser les Amber Boys. Les Amber Boys sont là pour protéger les frères et les sœurs et les terrains. Wallan, they are there to protect our land and they will do it. No matter how the sun will shine, but the rain will finally fall. No matter. No matter. Just share this video. Before I want to take the last round for this video, share this video. I want to take the last round now for this video. Mais c'est pas possible. President for the Republic be unable for stand up, make speech for picking the don't die for school. Pope for Rome make speech. All man make speech. Now only Pope be unable because it costs we, because you don't burn our houses them, because you don't burn our villages them, because you don't kill our picking them. You don't get nothing for do we. You don't get no damn shit for game for we. You don't get no damn shit for game for we. For what picking them. People the way they get they fit talk for what picking them na mayor them. Atanganjin them. Stupid people them. Now the fit can talk for what picking they don't die. Stupid people them. Final to final na nambere they go carry them. Nambere go carry can put a Okumba for talk of population for Okumba. If you do one maybe now witchcraft now can't think now can't think this. I sleep for you, I see the thing. They send them for me for you, I look them. I look them. So Nambere, you don't be a Goliath. Nambere, you don't be a Goliath. Now you now the okay, waka no, maybe you know the Amber Boys them. Carry them go for the place with the Amber Boys, the real Amber Boys and they carry them go for they small biscuit bone. Hermaphrodite. Wear clothes and if you wear clothes. You can't tell the fool people them for fool people them because if you say you feel calm, they say they don't feel say they feel take you calm for say make you fool people them. Make you fool people them. After 15,000 people they don't die. Not feel say something will be it will never be the same again. It will never be the same. We don't overdie for this thing, master. We don't overdie. I'll be very sorry. I'll be very sorry. Me, I not ever speak for war one day. I don't ever speak for hate man for this life. I never speak for caush man for this life. I don't ever stand for talk about die for this life. But it can't happen. They burn my village, my army village. The village where live, where look me grow for this way, they burn them. They burn the village. They touch me. And then when I feel say, I will just don't quiet because of the fear. Because of the fear who again? I the fear who again for this world? Who wait I feel fear for this world again? Now tell me. Who I feel fear for this world again? Say the man now who, the man of be now who will make the fear for this world of today. Who will live inside. We pobia go give lack of respect for people them. So I see mommy them come up for that very day where they say make na national that look I one make video said that for 10 people say not come out. Ben I say bon. President for the Republic get right for turn up. This kind of thing where it touch all man. Make speech, make people the feeling. He shit done for house. He make na paper, he write paper. Say make una come out cry una picking them. No na he picking them. Maybe na he picking them because how we feel them. He dey do them. He no feel what pain. He no feel what pain, mommy them. He no feel what pain. That day una come out that 31st. Una come out that day that 31st and just because say bon. Una be really one for Southern Africa they picking them. Una really one for Southern Africa they picking them. But for the truly side, we be get right for come out. When I share this video, I say when I share this video, when I do 130, I want to make this video go live, make go live, make go everywhere. Now, what kind of bad luck be this one? Which kind of bad luck? What kind of disgrace be this one? Which kind? I say their own thing now for say make United Nations send people. They make the cash, more the cash we for diaspora, make they bring for Cameroon, make the Josh we. Una feel say United Nations are fool people them. Una say they're stupid. They don't know the story of Cameroon. Una say they don't know the story of that country. They know the story of the country. They know why the guys are fighting for. They know what the guys are fighting for. And they know that the guys that they fight for their right. Maybe no fool now. Nobody will come in that country. That Ayuk Tabe for Nigeria. Cameroon government spend a lot of money for go cash them for Nigeria, bring them for the away any be correct. Because Nigeria is a corrupted country. Nigeria is a country where if they win money that they do any stupidity for this world. And only the acts where they be go for Nigeria, go catch Ayuk Tabe them, bring them for Yaoundé. He condemn Nigeria for plenty things there for no. Now then that today, they get their own problem now. When they go start for, they will start, they go wrong kind of ambition now. Who to go welcome them? Yes, we go welcome them. Vraiment. Now so that they soft some crisis. Even say we want to make something work fine. After the pain we feel and Nambere when I go bring and put them for Kumba. Nambere, what is Nambere if he talk? Who's English if he talk? Even the pidgin say he talk and fine. Even the pidgin, il talk and fine. Beaucoup on fait, vous pensez que les anglophones c'est des fous, c'est des idiots, il faut prendre n'importe qui, il faut les insulter. Vous pensez insulter un homme anglophone, mais pas le genre de Willy de Paris ici. Vous avez tapé poteau. Parce qu'avec moi là, c'est droit chemin. Avec moi là, c'est jusqu'à la gare. Parce que si vous pensez que en insultant le peuple anglophone, ça ne pourra que les anéantir. On n'a aucun qui va piquer des fils ego. Est-ce qu'on a fait ça dans les qui va piquer dem? On a donc faut gabou, on a donc kill non. On a donc faut gabou, on a donc faut combattre non kill non. On a des kill every day and night. But the matter I say, all man the crisis make the arrange problem, make the arrange situation. If some government be really be with some government where they want really arrange the situation, therefore really she done down knock table for down where president for even come out now for table say the problem will be solved. My picking never die again. Who said the president day where una the call any day, una the shout in name every day? Who said the president day? Who said the president day? Now mayor they be president for country. Now mayor they get to talk. Now Tangan you don't be president for Cameroon. Where picking them die for Kumba. Now Tangan you come for can't talk about them. Can't fool me and say go tell government, tell player picking they hide me they go kill them because you overlike Cameroon. Which love? You go get them for go tell government and I'm picking this and since today I never see now for here the hide. Okay, Pobia government in make situation for Kumbana say that school where that picking they be the go, that school need be registered. That school need be registered. Now why that Pobia no make speech? Mami de make a tell una. That school need be registered. Now why that Pobia no make speech for that picking the way they die. That school there for Kumbade since. No man don't know that school there. Now until when the kid that picking the way they cannot say that school need be registered. But that school be done before they since. Because they want move their hand, their responsibility for that picking them. If you name that disgrace now waiting, my brother, they wanna tell me. If you name that balok now waiting, my brother, they tell me. If people that sleep any day, pray say, may this war finish, may this war come to an end. May people then she don't down speak. Probably they go now for caution. For the last biggest caution, now for say go bring me this fool. Nambere. Go bring fool. Nambere. Me Nambere can talk for. I said, una tell me make I understand. Nambere can talk for population. Make can talk for population. Make population come out. Make disobey the rules of the land. Make it disobey the rules of the land. They want make English population they fight their own brother, the Amber boys them. Now their own plan that for your man. Now their own plan that for your belly. Make the population turn their back and get their own picking them. But if you tell una say some mommy go turn it back against the picking because they want support Pobia. Because Pobia remain for power. So till your life finish, me the mommy can't send her own picking them. Pobia, you don't fool yourself. You are in a wrong place at the wrong time. You are in a wrong place at a wrong time. And you are making a fool of yourself. Una share this video. I tell you, una share this video. I want me any man make 10 share for this video. And if you be only for 100 and something, this is really the party talking on the microphone. Okay, now don't vex me. Now, if you say now so, I will just chakara. I will try like a lagata pepe. Pia. Now kind of ballot is this? Now witchcraft. Nambere. Now you don't bring them for come. Tell what people them for Kumba say, una come out, una leave that thing, una come out, master know what town is, and some food and they for back. Yes, we will come out, master. You don't too much. Petit frère de Marie tell una. If you no get courage, cover your toilet. She don't quiet for some place. The kid just looked in them. No follow this kind of idiot because then go make them think they go be worse and worse again. Worst and worst again. What Amber boys that were finished for cry, they don't kill them for that school. Now not provoke them. I just beg una. That boy that they cry, they're picking them because when they kill that picking, so that boy that they feel them because they accuse them. They accuse them. But why those guys are doing their job to protect their own land? Understand? So we not provoke them. We not listen to the kind of fool, the kind of idiot, the kind of dumcats, the kind of foolish. How have you call yourself? You don't run go Nigeria. You don't have full of small money. You don't be na King Kong. You can't turn for Kumba. Now land no. You be Kumba. You know Kumba. Because you don't carry small AK-47, waka, you just don't do some better thing for this world. You have done nothing in your life. And you're just making a fool of your life. And let me tell you something. You go harvest. Now wait till you plant them. All that you know you plant them, so now you will go harvest them. And be ready for harvest them. Because before I be there Yaoundé, I don't be Yaoundé for a long time. They come in Yaoundé self. Understand? They come in Yaoundé. Now spend all my time for just laugh Englishman. Vous passez tout votre temps à insulter l'homme anglophone. Vous nous avez tellement insulté que ça n'insuffit pas. Even the artists them, Cameroonian artists them, for cry picking them, where they kill them for Kumba. Cameroonian artists them. That means they make the cry now in favor of the government. That means you say, we will not get something for doing, and if she don't quiet. And if she don't quiet. And if you love una mop, she don't quiet, I go to sing una rubbish sing when I sing them. We not get something for sing, we go do a match. Because we want copy Nigeria. I said, they put them, crispy for them, franchement. We want copy Nigeria. We want copy Nigeria. That's all, no? We not fait copy for some better way. We not fait copy for some better way. Now copy Nigeria badly. Now copy Nigeria badly. Now so when Nigeria artists they go cry, they make their struggle. I saw they make their struggle. Now when me say I'm saying I vex, I don't go vex so because my heart not fine against them. I'm gonna share this video, share the video, don't fear. Share the video. This is me the party talking, the king of the pop makosa in the whole world. Yes, share this video. Share them. I want for sister 200 people first before I want even take this side. We cannot laugh, we cannot cosh. Now what you would do, now what I say, now balok. Merde. Now balok. Now balok. Picking they don't die, you don't even stay, you don't even make 3 minutes. Now better na go bring for come wipe tears from my media eye. Now them say na terrorists. Now them say will be terrorists. They will kind of one of the most biggest fools can bring them make them talk rubbish for Kumba. Usa pobiade. Usa pobiade when I go that they support pobiade say no master. Usa the pobiade. Why pobiade if you can talk for what they don't die. Why pobiade if you can talk for them? So pobiade be unable for talk or picking they don't die. Pobiade be unable for walk up make speech for picking they don't die. For make speech picking they don't die. Now what they need them? What they need them for make speech or picking they don't die? They need different thing. L'artiste camerounais. L'artiste camerounais. Vous aussi, vous venez vous moquer des enfants du sud-ouest et du nord-ouest. Vous êtes incapable de faire une bonne manifestation. Vous faites des manifestations, même un micro pour passer un bon message, il n'y en a pas. Vous venez montrer votre mendicité jusqu'à quel niveau. Même pour lui un micro, même pour lui un podium, pour que les gens font des discours, vous faites tout pour vous dire que vous ne faites pas la politique. Et vous partez interdit des mamans qui sont venues pleurer ses enfants en vrai. Vous, mon petit Malox, je t'aime bien. J'aime ton courage. J'aime tout ce que tu fais. Mais le côté là que tu es parti voir ces mamans, tu en aimes la magie, mon petit Malox. Tu en aimes la magie. Si on ne peut pas te dire ça, il faut que je te dise ça. Tu en aimes la magie. Qui t'a dit que quand on pleure un enfant, il y a une façon de pleurer l'enfant? C'est toi qui dis comment les mamans doivent pleurer les enfants. Alors que toi, vous organisez des marches pour que les gens viennent pleurer avec vous. Et vous venez leur dire comment on va pleurer. Vous voulez faire la politique. Si vous ne pouvez pas faire la politique, calmez-vous tranquille. Hein. Fermez vos bouches. Fermez vos bouches. Tu es un petit frère courageux, bien tu es un bon artiste. Mais, allez voir des mamans qui sont en train de pleurer. Les enfants qui sont morts. Et parce qu'il a suivi, parce que vous avez quelque chose que vous faites par rapport à ces enfants, vous venez leur dire, vous ne voulez pas la photo de ces enfants, vous ne voulez pas la photo de ces enfants là où vous faites votre marche, les artistes, mais vous avez un problème psychologique là-bas dans votre pays là, franchement. Vous avez un problème psychologique, il y a un boulon qui va par la tête. Même pour louer un podium, si vous ne voulez pas marcher dans la rue pour que tout le monde vous voit, vous devez marcher dans la rue, vous devez marcher, vous devez vous exprimer. Vous venez, vous vous habillez bien, quand vous voulez penser à votre jeunesse, quand vous êtes encore à l'école, vous portez les tenues de classe, vous venez là-bas, vous faites des discours qui n'ont pas de sens. Qui n'ont pas de sens. Qu'est-ce que vous avez fait? Vous avez fait quoi là-bas? C'était quoi? Expliquez-moi. Quelqu'un m'explique. C'était quoi? What were they doing there? Massa. Un pays où il n'y a pas de direction. Il n'y a pas la honte. Tout le monde est pareil. Tu vois des grands artistes, des artistes qui sont là, même pas un podium, même pas contribuer, même 1000 francs, même 500, louer même un petit cas podium pour que j'ai regardé, mais c'était quel discours? Vous donnez quel discours? Vous avez peur du gouvernement? Vous avez peur d'un gouvernement? Vous devez profiter alors dans ça pour dire à ce gouvernement, même nous-mêmes, ça ne va pas. Mais comme vous avez peur, vous m'avez dit non, il faut que les enfants vont à l'école, il faut que les enfants fassent ceci. Mais allez vous faire cuire des œufs spaghettis. Allez vous faire cuire des œufs spaghettis. C'est un message ça. Il faut que les enfants vont à l'école, non la guerre, les enfants sont nés pour fréquenter, ici et là. Vous n'avez pas parlé même de votre... Vous-même, vous avez des problèmes. Vous-même, vous avez des problèmes. Nous-mêmes, on a des problèmes, les artistes camerounais. Louez un micro, contribuez même 500. Faites un petit podium, les artistes camerounais. Faites un petit podium. Hein? Et ordonnez. Laissez les gens pleurer. Vous partez interdire les gens. Non, on ne veut pas les trucs ici. On veut pas. Vous ne voulez pas quoi? Vous n'avez pas le courage d'organiser quelque chose. Taisez-vous. On ne vous a pas oublié. Ne copiez pas des gens à moitié. Ne copiez pas des Nigériens à moitié. C'est parce que vous avez vu les pistes que vous sorties que vous pensez que vous pouvez sortir, faire une marche. Vous n'avez pas la capacité de faire une marche. Vous n'avez pas la capacité, même le niveau de faire une marche. Vous n'avez pas et vous ne pouvez pas. If you don't want to respect these children, let me tell you something. Cover your mouth and stay quiet. These children must be respected. Look, let me tell you something. If you think Natawe the fear po be away, your life will be safe for Cameroon, don't know say you are a dead corpse already. Okay? You are a dead corpse already. When I share this video, I tell you. When I share this video, I tell you. When I share this video, if you know this 200 people, I know continue. This last time, now I want to make 200 people. 200 first. Now can't you share 10 share when I don't share 10 share? Merde. C'est quoi cette histoire? Non, quand on suit, Nambere did the top for in front. Either will police them outside. You want go so police they back. You want go so police they back. Una fi say na for nothing. Why no come? Maybe you say the warrior. Why no come in one for Kumba? Just can't stand up, stroll, talk. Because they don't give small money. Say okay, how you been? You fit talk me the year you. How you fit na any man fit talk English me the year you. Now kind of cost with this one. After don't keep picking them, na Nambere don't come bring for can get courage so guys them make guys them come out. Yeah, we go do this. After people will die again. After people will die again. After na the very people they don't bring Nambere na they can kill na again. Na they can kill na again. For say me they accuse Amba boys them. Also, on a share the video. Any man make 10 share. C'est quoi cette histoire? Na weti the world now. Who will ever tell us for Southwest one day we'll turn us so talk about war, talk about die, talk about those kind of things? It don't happen. Even me self lead the party. I like my country passport. I like Southwest. When I know me I come for Cameroon. I there for Southwest. I there for Bamenda. I there outside. I feel my free my people them. I feel my free my people them. But I never give right for somebody to come and burn my village. The day you did that rubbish. The day you did that rubbish. You touched my bleeder. You touched my bleeder. You touched my bleeder. And nothing will remove me from the position I am today. Okay? Nothing will shake me to the position I am today. I'm not doing this for somebody. I'm not doing this for a particular person. I'm doing this for me and my own children. So that tomorrow they should know. They should know what happened. Ok? J'ai fait ça pour mes enfants. Que tu sois boulou ou tout ça, mais tous mes enfants, j'ai fait ça pour eux. Pour qu'ils sachent. Pour qu'ils comprennent l'histoire. Ça, c'est quel gouvernement paresseux. C'est quel gouvernement manque d'expérience. Parce qu'il faut protéger une seule personne au pouvoir. Parce qu'il faut protéger Pobia au pouvoir. Parce qu'il faut qu'à tout prix, Pobia soit au pouvoir. Il faut sacrifier des vies. Il faut sacrifier même la jeunesse. C'est quoi? C'est quoi cette mascarade? C'est quoi cette connerie-là? Un pays où il n'y a pas de loi, il n'y a pas de règles, il n'y a rien. Toutes les règles sont bafouées. Comme Maurice Kamto est venu avec sa sagesse, vous êtes devenus bêtes, vous ne connaissez plus quoi faire. Vous allez libérer aujourd'hui Kamto. Demain, vous allez libérer Vaisero. Après, demain, vous libérez Mamadou Mota. Après, demain, vous libérez l'autre. Après, vous libérez quoi? C'est quoi? C'est quoi? Et ils ne font que parler de les grands dialogues nationaux. They do all on for course we again. Dialogue national for course we again. Pobia est incapable de sortir parler. Tu es vieux, va te reposer. Va te reposer. Ça, je te le dis. Va te reposer. Tu es forcé d'être président de la République. C'est quoi? C'est ton pays tout seul? Dis donc, un peu de tenue là. Tu es incapable de respecter les enfants qui sont morts. Un président qui est incapable de respecter les enfants qui sont morts. Il faut que nous on te respecte. Après tous ces enfants qui sont morts là, même un discours tu n'as pas fait. Tu es incapable de faire un discours, mais tu dis tu gères un pays. Unable to speak for children who just lost their life. And you say you are the president of the republic. Let me tell you. Peut-être vous croyez que les anglophones sont dumb. Vous ne connaissez pas ce qui veut dire être président de la République. You don't even know what it means to be the president of the republic. The responsibility of a president. Pobia ne connaît même pas. Pobia is an illiterate. Pobia is an illiterate. Surely. I between say that man gets sense, but that man has some lost man. That man don't lost. What kind of man be this? People they die for your president. The very day people they die, president don't come out, the president is sorti. President don't come out, don't talk. He don't make speech. He don't talk. 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 Oh man, you had to calm down. Oh man, you had to calm down. We were on president. Can't lie, we go bring me caricature and number. Come keep talk rubbish. People they come out, they listening. Na country fashion don't tell the government. Na country fashion tell the government. Now never see people there for talk for arrange problem. Na number we can bring them. They fool to the big idiot with the fat eye. They just can't turn out to talk rubbish anyhow. Because if you say a joke. You say, I don't kidnap and take ransom. You know, you don't kidnap people and take ransom. You know, you don't kidnap people and take ransom. Look at this fool. If you say that is a tumbu boss Calabar, we just can't talk. If you say now who lie yourself? Who lie you? Now who lie you? Who lie you? Who give you this lie? Who fabricate you all this lie them? So you can maybe I don't tell you clearly one time. Respect your normal days. Mondays, lock all your stuff. Même man no can lie now. Because when you go losses and government no go give you no 5 francs. Now our village is that they don't burn our village them. Now see government don't get something for them? No. They don't kill a picking there. You don't see people that don't make speech? No. They take it for granted. Even artists them. I never know why why Salache they go be inside this rubbish. Salache, why you go be inside this rubbish? On a gagné son tour, on a gagné son tour, baby, correct. On a passé a true message. Si on demande à ces Camerounais, quel message vous avez passé le jour là quand vous portez les tenues, quel message personne ne peut dire. Vous parlez sans micro, vous avez peur jusqu'à quand? Vos droits d'auteur, vous n'avez même pas, au lieu de profiter maintenant, avec l'autorisation qu'on a donnée, vous êtes incapable de le faire. Non, franchement. Il y a parfois, il faut vraiment se poser beaucoup de questions. You have to ask yourself so many questions. Yes, it's very, it's very, I don't know what you have to talk about. A big slap for our judges. Picking they don't die. For some they cry, picking they suffer. Les artistes, vous avez vu, à Bafoussam, c'est que les femmes ont fait à Bafoussam. Les femmes sont sorties, vous avez vu le message qu'ils ont passé, ils ont parlé. Vous avez parlé quoi? Non, on ne tue pas les enfants, non, les enfants, vous avez peur de quoi? Vous avez peur de quoi? Nos collègues sont morts comme des bêtes sauvages. C'est la peur que nous, on va venir brandir pour montrer au président de la République qu'on t'aime trop. Mais on va mendier jusqu'à quand? Ça va changer quand? J'attendais tout, mais pas sauf que Malox va dire à cette dame-là de ne pas... Vous pleurez, les enfants viennent avec les photos. Vous ne voulez pas voir les photos de ces enfants-là. Vous pleurez de quoi? Vous portez les tenues non pour qui? Que même les photos de ceux qui sont morts, vous n'avez même pas. Vous n'avez même pas les photos de ceux qui sont morts. Vous partez faire des prises. Ça veut dire quoi? Et je vois vous tous, vous êtes là. Vous êtes là. Du n'importe quoi, franchement. Du n'importe quoi. I want just tell that I want share the video. Me say my head not the fire inside. So me man not try to rubbish again. So Pobia, tu ne peux rien faire pour nous. Laisse tomber. Continue à faire ce que tu es en train de faire là, mais laisse tomber. Chacun a son tour chez le coiffeur. Et ton tour arrivera. On va te coiffer. Tu comprends ce que je dis, non? C'est même quel genre d'histoire ça, même, mon frère. Les enfants sont moins présents, ne parlez pas. Par décret présidentiel. C'est ça qu'on mange. On mange des décrets présidentiels. C'est ça que les anglophones mangent. Les mamans là mangent tout ça là. Ok, nada mami de l'homme bien, on a gone proof. Mami de no, on a de respect them. On a commode, we have to do this. Me où d'un commode, me où mami d'un commode. Now on a mami au come for that place. On a mami, if now on a mami au come for that place. Oh, my father is them. Can I want with this one? I'm not getting no respect. No respect for human dignity. En tous les cas, on est ensemble. Portez-vous bien. Now we Paris. I want to tell you this one. C'est one a course with the game for me. Mami them. On a respect. On a respect. I beg una. Why people don't over suffer. On a respect. On just respect the rules and regulations. Many man just be fine. Okay? If you have about and say Monday goes down, on a made the Monday, mommy. If you say today school, on a just make them. The next day, on a continue doing a school there. On a not follow these people. These people do not ever like me. They go can't look at them. It just stand and start. They get wizard plan them for our people, them for our population. But we will never leave it like that. Look. Le jour où vous avez brûlé mon village, vous avez attaqué au lit de Paris, moi le king, peut-être vous parlez, vous faites des commentaires, vous parlez seulement. The day you burn my village, Banga Bakundu, n'a faudrait de burn me. Understand? Vous ne connaissez même pas, je vous le dis encore bien éclairement. Allez vous faire manger des yeux spaghetti. Pobia, tu es une illettrée. Merci.